was invited to attend the Philippine 2024 Book Festival Media Launch last April 3, 2024 around 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Let's dive into a sea of stories. Tara, samahan niyo ako panoorin till the end.
Yeah, so just make it fun and exciting. So the movie series of emergency
that educational materials are very important for the progress of every child to be like to be better. And I would want to invite you on April 25 to 28 at World Trade Center, Pasay. And we will be gladly welcoming you there with lots of fun, enjoyment, and you will not waste your time being with us because this is a place where learned people will meet one another. Thank you so much.
About what happens at the Philippine Book Festival. Of course, we bring together publishers, authors, artists, educators.
So, the Philippine Book Festival is one of NBDD's flagship programs that mark the agency's shift to streamline solutions-based programming that specifically addresses the issue of access to quality Philippine books.
Prepared speech. It's our pleasure to be standing here in front of you this morning in the cusp of the launch of the second Philippine.
Thank you, Chair Kling and Edie Cherise for always doing this, and to the hardworking NBDB team, thank you very much for all your hard work.
Thank you, Miss Samo. Lagi kang maganda. Hello everyone, isang makabatang umaga sa ating lahat. The Philippine Board on Books for Young People applauds. Congratulations, Sir Chairman Kling Ang and ED Charis Togade for these efforts. No? Just recently, I was informed by a public school teacher that our local children's storybooks are helping them engage their children into the habit of.
Hello, thank you, Sam.
I love this, yes. Modern barong look, all about it.
Good morning, everyone. My bio note was supposed to be half the proof of what Sam read, but thank you for the kind introduction. I'm Paolo Heras. I'm president and co-founder of the Comiket. We are a non-profit organization that helps nurture and develop and grow the Filipino comics community. So,
Clay, ED Charis Tugade, sa ating lahat, mga kababayan, mga piling panauhin, isang maganda at mapagpalang araw. Okay? Unang-una, bilang isang illustrator na napili para gumawa ng kid visual, sobrang taus-pusong pasasalamat. Para sa aming mga illustrators, lalo pa sa amin na tahimik lamang gumagawa sa isang sulok ng bahay. Hindi kami masyadong maboka, kundi dito sa mga pagkakataong ito na kailangan daw. Isang malaking bagay ang Philippine Book Festival para i-showcase ang aming mga nagagawa sa katahimikan ng aming mga sulok ng bubong. Malaking bagay na na itinutugma ang aming mga gawa.
My job here is to translate kung ano yung sinabi nila in a more Gen Z language. So, okay. My name is Jericho Silvers. It's an honor to be invited here today to share you some words of
Si
inspiration.
Beth Parocha, isang children's book illustrator. Naatasang gumawa ng key visual para sa nalalapit na Philippine Book Festival 2024. Isang bata ang makikita sa isang isla. May ngiti sa kanyang mga labi habang ang mga mata ay nag-aanyaya. Sa iyong pagsama sa isang paglalakbay, paghahanap ng kung anuman, galak, talinhaga, karunungan, indak ng puso at ng katawan, pagkain ng diwa at kamalayan. At sa kanyang tabi ay may puno na hitik ng mga kaibigang handang sumama sa iyong paglalakbay, habang binubuklat ang mga libro na handa ring maging iyong mga kaibigan.
The NBDB is one of the smallest agencies in the government system, so our resources are quite challenging to work with, let me put it that way. But there are plans to
Stairs to heaven. Shelter on the right.
Tama ba? Imbis na ako sumusunod sa inyo, kayo sumusunod sa akin. Wala table dito. Dito tayo.
Maybe one day I'll fall in a bookstore into the arms of a guy. We'll sneak into bars and gaze at the stars.